Yeah. And I will be with you guys, like, at Chicken Hawk. I'll be walking around because, like, I've got to go talk to the mob at first and things like that. But I'll
set you up with anybody, has he set you up smuggling any human?
Not yet, but he has me on standby for those.
Okay, so he's gonna make that call.
Yeah,
on
and that's gonna be on the fly. It's just gonna come up. So I've got to be ready for that. But that's our primary patrol. That lets us see everything but Ducket. Castle doesn't exist. Everything over here, but that's Tan's prerogative. If they can't take care of those two bases right by their main base, whose fault is it? And then that doesn't see Rex, but Drennan told me he's intentionally not making Rex unimportant today. Also, if something does happen, we do need to see it. You can see it from that angle, from that bridge. You can see right up the hill to it.
Which is cool because that kind of keeps it off of that one corner up there and that, all that openness and nothingness, you know.
Now, here's the thing: if Green gets the balls and decides that they're just gonna.
You got hit from the bunkers. They're pushing. Ready? Push it. Cowboy, I'll be right back. You keep an eye on Mike. Ooh. Ooh, shit. There's a guy on the other side, too. Watch to the left. Say again.
Alright, so now we're going to go see what Holiday's doing. And after that, a little past Holiday.
Contact right! I am too. That was crazy. I didn't have my GoPro on. There wasn't no fucking warning to that. Jake was just like, send this message to NATO. They're still pushing down that top of the hill. Anybody got eyes on Flex? Where you at, man? I'm checking to make, well, don't even tell me. I just wanted to make sure you was alive. You good? You got protection? Roger that. Hey, there's still one or two more up there, but I'm down to back up on a capture.
We got enough people, let's go.
I gotta move!
Stay here. Hey, go here. Here with me.
Left side. They're coming down at us. That would be sick. Got pulled out with Drennan for a capture mission. Hell yeah, Drennan. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Good job, guys. Thank you. Good job, y'all.
Bang.
Oh, I'm dead.
Bang.
He shot me like 1,500 times.
Yeah, no, this would have sucked. I ain't gonna pop you this close.
Yeah, I was like, dude, if he
I started to get you in the carrier, and I was like, nah, I don't even want to do that.
Like some of the civvies and contractors, like some kind of little flag, they can go, hey, we're friendly, because sometimes you get in the mix, and I'm like, I can't tell if he's wearing green or
Yeah,
not.
was that you up here? I hollered at?
And I saw you, and I was like, because some people are jackasses, they'll wave at you and be like, hey.
No, we came up here and
I
wiped
was
like.
like, he might be. Then I heard somebody say civvy, he's like, shit, I can't shoot there no more.
Yeah.
Then I got shot by somebody else.
civvies that the green team were engaging them, so we came up here to sort them out, and you guys killed them all first.
Yeah.
Well, what else was we gonna do?
Country justice.
Street justice.
Oh, they were like, this guy's up down there. Some of them were unarmed, putting their hands up, and it just, I'm like, just raping them.
Yeah, one of them came up, looked up the hill, was like, we're being massacred. We got this.
So he's like laying on the ground. Ah.
Guy at the corner's down. What about the guy behind you? You dead? I'll bang him. Bang it. I don't want to hit you in the mouth. Bang.
Yeah. Good shit, man.
So, all right, so let me ask you a question, man. Where's your troops at right now?
I don't know, man.
No, I think you're bullshitting me, dude. You know what? I tell you what, I will let you walk out of here clean, free, Scott. You just tell me to set up and get the troops out there. That's all we want to know. It's a no fire zone. We're good here, but I'll let you walk out of here free if you want to just go ahead.
Well, they took me away. And you guys fell back.
Where'd they take you from?
We were over, what was that? Rex? No, Rex is up that way. Yeah, that way.
That way, I don't know, man. I'm thinking full of shit now. It's kind of scary.
Hot up there. Might be a little full of shit. Full of shit.
Do you need water or anything?
No,
you good?
I'm
You good? Okay. Where'd you collect this man from?
Huh?
Where'd you collect this man from? Towards Rex?
No, Hamburger.
Towards Hamburger.
Oh yeah, we came from Rex.
And why were you up at Hamburger? I'm just curious. Was you going after
Hungry, man.
All right. Green team have this base right up here.
We've been taking fire from there, so
Green
I'd
team has
imagine
them?
so. Chan's not fucking with us right now.
Until Green they pull out of the trenches, we'll give them their guy back.
Well, we can take Green out of the trenches. I think there's maybe only 2 or 3 of them left up there. That could be bad.
I see one peeking us right now.
There's only a couple, 3 of them.
You see, look, you see the guy at the right side of the bunker? There's 2.
Okay.
They're reinforcing that trench.
See if we can get a hold of Green.
Is that Green? Are you Green up there?
Probably. Yes,
Green enough, we just walked by there.
I think it's like 500 guys.
500.
Alright, listen.
This roll place is fun, dude. Yeah.
500 men.
Alright, so they ought to be bringing you your prisoner. You guys should be able to figure out some kind of terms. Surely y'all got more than that up there, don't you?
My man right here. We're setting up for negotiation. No fire zone. We're all down. Just want to set up a deal here.
There's your prisoner.
I'm the Russian mob boss. You don't know me. You know me now. Find Snick. I talk to Snick and Snick only. You'll go get Snick. You know get prisoner. You know get nuke parts. You know bring Snick. I would go get Snick if I was you. Goodbye.
That's a limited negotiation.
I talk to Snick and Snick only. Go get Snick. I don't talk to you. I don't know you. I don't trust you. Go find Snick. Snick, Snick, Snick. Kill your prisoner.
We'll get him. We'll get him. Y'all stay down there.
All right, let's stay down here. No fire zone. I'm calling that one. All right? Okay.
We're getting through to Danny right now. We'll get the Snick down here.
All right.
What happened?
I'm getting raped.
Well, they all said shoot him, so I shot him.
I'm a treasure now.
You can't just walk around shooting people even if you are a cop.
Motherfucker, I just want a firefight.
You literally didn't hit me.
I know. They missed crap.
That was nice. I was like, oh fuck, man. It was just like zoop. That sucked.
Yeah. I'm not interested in shooting people. I'm just sitting there.
Hey, so what's that make?
Are we really going to make them take that hit, though?
No.
Okay.
What's it been today? 3 heat strokes?
Yeah.
3 and then crappy, almost after.
I was with you with the chick and the dude.
Yeah.
What was the third one?
The third one was miscommunication. Get online.
One more time, what team? One down. Hey, watch out for the dead! Don't shoot the dead, guys!
What'd they shoot you?
Give me the finger.
Oh. So we got hostages or what?
Yep.
Let's take them to chicken. Get some information.
While we radio in, if we
I got
don't
you.
have to haul them down there, we won't.
Tripper to Chicken Hawk. You guys want some hostages? Flex, you want to interrogate some fools? You guys met Flex? Yeah. He said, yes, please. We just happened to spot you a ways back. We stalked you for a bit, man. Like me and him was stalking y'all, and then the cops walked into us following you.
So if we would have gave you money, you wouldn't have shot at us?
We're, well, technically you're still alive. We're gonna see how this goes. You're just coming with us. You guys are gonna talk to the boss.